No?
No, it's
like
not.
Gushers?
I don't know what Gushers is. Look, it's like this little thing. It's like this little flexible gelatinous, well, whatever it's called.
Jello.
Well, it's not Jello.
Jello shots.
No.
Jello shot Gushers.
But, no, listen.
I want some of those right now.
What? So one of the balls, or whatever it is, filled with like vodka or whatever. And the other one's filled with like the juice extract. So when you bite it, like you bite into vodka, then you bite into the one side and it's like a chaser. No, you just bite it, and then the little one, you have to bite it again. The little one will be, or you can, I guess you can make them separate.
That's a good idea.
I just need to figure out how to make those little something.